Hello everyone, I'm back. I'm Claudia. Today I'm here to do an unboxing of our SWITCHO radios and show you all the features and new ones that are coming up. So first of all, you will receive your SWITCHO radios in this beautiful package. Once you open it, on the inside, we will find different things, such as first of all the hardware guarantee card with some different information. We've got a small quick guide that on the internet you will download the complete instructions, but this is really useful as well. And then we will find the SWITCHO radios really protected over here. And finally, you will find a box that will have all the different accessories and things that we may need for the SWITCHO radios. So when purchasing the SWITCHO radios, you will find the SWITCHO model, and inside this box, different things, for example, the non-slip fit that you can introduce to have a better stability, the different connecting for the other SWITCHO models as well that I will explain you now. We have the USB cable, some Allen keys, and finally the power supply. Okay, so now having everything ready, so as the rest of the SWITCHO family models, the SWITCHO radios is a full metal construction. It has a removable housing that for those cockpit builders, you can just unscrew it with the included Allen keys, the several screws that it has, and then you can just integrate it wherever you want. On the other hand, if you want to keep the housing, there's also the possibility to integrate it with the other SWITCHO models thanks to the connecting straps that are included. So just sliding them on the sides or on top, you can just place them together. Now having a close-up to the product, it has a tactile screen, and it also has a realistic with metal filling knobs. We've got the autopilot part with all the different functions, buttons and knobs, and then the radio with communication, navigation, transponder and ADF functions as well. Another thing that this SWITCHO has, as the rest of the family, is its connection. It's a plug-and-play USB device, so it's really easy to connect, and when integrated to the PC with the virtual hub, it's really easy to configure. It's compatible with Microsoft Flight Simulator, X-Plane, and Prepar 3D, so with the three main flight simulation softwares. We've got really exciting news coming up for these SWITCHO radios. It's gonna have an exciting upgrade. I'm just gonna leave you some sneak peeks over here, and watch and stay tuned for more videos to know what's gonna happen next. If you need more information or any inquiry that you may have, just contact us at info@virtualfly.com and we will be happy to help you.